Can you just tell us, Peter, have you been to visit Cardinal Pell in jail?
So no, I haven't been able to see him, but I have spoken to a number of people who have been to see him or have received letters from him. In fact, one of the most recent visitors was Bishop Peter Elliott, who's one of the now retired bishop in Melbourne. And he told me that Cardinal Pell is in very good spirits, optimistic, thinking through the issues of this appeal that's going on at the moment, but he's also doing other things, including writing particularly to prisoners, and has sort of taken on a prison ministry of writing to people who are themselves imprisoned and trying to encourage them to keep on. I had another person who showed me a letter which he had received late last year from Cardinal Pell. Very positive letter in which Cardinal Pell was speaking about how he was keeping fit. He went to the gym 3 times a week, and he was able to reassure this person that he was being well looked after in prison. So his disposition, I think, is very positive. He is not broken by the experience at all. I think he understands that this is what he is called upon to do at this time, and he's taken on that role with what I would see as being enormous courage, and simply has accepted the heavy burden which is put on his shoulders in a way which I think all of us would regard as exemplary.
So, Peter, the defence case has concluded this afternoon.
Yes.
Brett Walker SC, he's finished his arguments. Yes. How did you find this afternoon?
Well, I think what he did was to run through the 17 grounds which the Cardinal Pell's lawyers have said indicate that the Cardinal should not have been convicted in the first case, and where the Court of Appeal got it wrong. And some of the discussion that took place there I thought was extremely enlightening, including where Brett Walker pointed out the fact that the Court of Appeal had made judgments with regard to evidence, including the evidence of the alb which Cardinal Pell was supposed to have moved aside to assault the boys. Walker pointed out that there was no evidence in the trial to show that that was the case at all, and the judges had simply expressed their own opinion and then declared that that is fact. And I think he said, look, the judges have to form their decisions or their judgment on the basis of the evidence at the trial, not on themselves going away and forming conclusions about that. But that was just one of the small parts about it. I thought it went well. The 7 judges on the High Court displayed an intelligent interest in what he was saying. They were asking him questions about it. I thought fair questions about it. I don't think they were hostile. They were simply trying to understand what he was getting at. And I think, therefore, the defence has put a strong case to attempt to deal with these matters, and I'm hopeful that it will be successful.
Thank you, Peter.